Sky Bundit ready to go in his first ever semi-final matchup here in the UAP. For Ateneo, Coach Sherwin Meneses on the other side. Knockout Saturday for Ateneo Adamson. Match number 15 for the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. And we are happy to have you with us. This is going to be dramatic. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be heartbreaking for one team here. And sit tight to find out which team will move on in this long road called the Step Ladder Semifinals. The starting six on your screens. And what is the feeling of possibly playing your last match in the UAP? If let's say, that scenario is there. If you lose, that's your last match, not a knockout match. What goes through your mind, your system?
It's more like you do mixed emotions. Parang you're really excited. At the same time, the pressure is also there. Because possibly that could be your last game.
And that girl, Damawetia, against Amanda, Sheila Pineda, and the one serving right now, Magatuno, all graduating. They lose today, it's the last time to see in an Adamson uniform. For Ateneo, the CP will be intact, and except for Cass Faustino, the lone graduating student. Which brings me to the point on what are your thoughts of Ateneo being number 3 this year despite all the changes?
Kita mo yun, pre? Makapalbis yan.
I think a lot of the people didn't expect Ateneo to already be in the finals. But at least get it at easy. Dahil ngayon na, bata yung
dapat yung iba sa
there at the strongest time of Ateneo. But I think it's actually a good sign to see Ateneo really adjust that quickly coming into this season.
Time of one. Guarente picking it up.
Pag nabasag to Pag nabasag to, pwede ka na bumatag.
Zapata.
Segway.
Sandalin lang to. Kaya balte.
The girls are well aware and he's so reminding that they always have to look at every time they go up against the Lady Falcons. And this is precisely the reason why they push themselves extra hard in practice the recent week. In fact, earlier in the dugout, some of the girls were telling me that they really did a thorough review of Adamson's game plans in order to come up with their best.
Butas. Wala pa si Pineda eh. Backliner pa eh. Hindi pa pwede pumalo ng napukan niya ng hindi nga paglabas pag ano niya.
At mananalo kami ngayon. Unfortunately, March Tejada will still not be joining the girls in court today due to that sprained knee. But the girls still really steadfast and confident that they're adjusted game plan.
Excellent. Thank you, Selena Bagdad, reporter for Ateneo. 3-1 is the score. Scouted Adamson very well. I'm sure Adamson has done the same thing. Sila na yung nagsasabi, it's a joke around the volleyball community. Pag sinabi, Ateneo Adamson, more often than not. I mean, Ateneo, their collegiate rivals is definitely LaSalle. There's no question, regardless of sport. But what is the challenge, especially
Na-raisan ako eh. Hindi ako nakadagit.
they really put on a show for the fans. That's why the fans have come out here at Volleyball Central. The arena as Ateneo gets that.
Nakakalit yung mga paglabayan.
From the other side this time.
Woman at naitanong ko nga si Coach Sherwin tungkol sa pinagkaiba ng final formula this year as compared to last year. At ang sagot niya nga raw sa akin na oras sila para bawian ang Ateneo. Kahit nataas sila last year, basta natuto sila, ay okay ngayon. There's not much pressure this year as compared to last year. Kahit daw 0-2 ang standing nila sa Ateneo this season, naniniwala si Coach Sherwin na hindi naman daw nagsulang yung Adamson, but rather it was the breaks of the games kaya sila natalo. He says that today is not everyone's ball game, so let's just forget we learned from the past and just move forward to finally
Great report, Mitch. Thank you very much. And I believe what Coach Sherwin is saying. You may have lost 0-2 in the elimination round, but the difference is still not up to scaling.
So you're really just feel
Exactly.
kahit ikaw pa yung may panalo, siguro confiance is on your side. But really depends on how you would perform today.
If you're Coach Sherwin, imagine, ang kalaban mo, number 3, they're 10-4 in the team standings. You're 6-8. And you're not 1 game away next phase.
That's still good.
Very good. And I really believe that Adamson has earned the right to be here. They really. Also, when UP beat FEU, and I think that was a crucial match. Natulungan nun, but they really earned their way with some great wins here in the UAP in the second round. Not to say that Ateneo doesn't
Patay lang ng patay.
and they are 8-3 here in the first set of semi-final action between Ateneo and Adamson. Mr. Lucy. Well, triangle formation checks out on screen. Of course, Miss Malone, father, Rendon from Adamson, and Coach Bowles.
Dati nung ano yun eh, yung Ateneo, yung malaki mata.
He's been here, for those who just tuned in, throughout the afternoon, nung kanina pa naglalaro yung napakagandang laro ng Ateneo. I was telling
Tanggalin nyo lang sa kapan.
services.
Sa banta lang tatargetin yun. Puro yan.
Hearts go out to FEU because they were crying out, going out Coliseum as their season ends today. But wow, man, what a match that one.
Everybody enjoyed that game. We see everyone really shouting at each and every move, no? That they made.
Ito, follow up. Ateneo Adamson.
Pambakter. Ito.
Has been inserted in that starting lineup. Coach Sherwood calls an early time. His team's down 7. Wala eh. Pagka napunta yung bola sa kanila, nakawala lang kayo nakawala eh. Napunta yung bola sa kanila, magbabak tayo mag-depensa. Wala depensa.
Banta, number 5. Tanggal na na.
Second one. Diba? Ang tayo mga bata eh. Depensa, second one wala. Kahit sino pwede kumuha na. Pwede mag-set. Pwede kung walang isip walang problema, gawin natin ang parang sa grab. Adamson attendance today here at the arena. Some fun Saturday matches rather. Bison Valdez and her team ahead by 7-10-3. Magandang hapon, Pilipinas, at lahat po ng nanonood all over the world via the Filipino channel. And I just came back from a trip.
Outside.
PNPA, and I want to thank ESPN Sports for that. And even in the different places that I was, they always say that they watch the Filipino channel and they catch the UAP. So, alam naman natin yun.
Of course. And it's always amazing. I mean, this is collegiate level volleyball, and yet we have viewers from all over.
So, binabati namin ngayon.
Uy, gagong.
Araw po ngayon. Pati na rin sa lahat ng mga probinsya. Nakatutok sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Abante mo ng 8. Ito ang Ateneo.
Drop niyo yung RBC.
Pineda. Check ball. And it's in anyway. A spectacular year for Sheila Pineda was carried the load for Adamson. Her demeanor, it never changes. She looks cool. She looks like she's not sometimes engaged in the game, but it cannot be farther from the truth. As De Jesus gets that one for another point for Ateneo. So I think that's you heard the crowd roar when Sheila Pineda's name was called her. It was a spectacular year for her as you see this Oishi-O album of the game. Open up to everyday surprises.
I guess what the people love about Pam Pineda, aside from the fact na isa siya sa top scorers, ano, is the consistency and the willingness in each and every game that she plays.
Undersized, but matibay puso. She is well loved and she deserves every single thing. Every single applause and shriek from the crowd as she gets a service ace there. On cue.
Definitely an all-around player here for Coach Sherwood. Alam din natin, no, Pam Pineda also plays beach volleyball.
That's right. We've been saying she's been playing volleyball a whole year. She's the 3rd best server of the league.
And just like that,
Patay pa yun.
the team of Pam Pineda slowly inching closer to Ateneo.
knocked out today. It's a sad thought that we're going to see her for the last time in an Adamson uniform. If you're a volleyball fan, regardless of what school you root for, it's going to be a sad thing.
And it's always a sad thing, I would say, no? If there are graduating players in the team, you've been so used to seeing them on the floor wearing that uniform.
Yes.
It's always very emotional.
Remember, her, Samantha, all graduated.
When we talk to these graduating players, very emotional yung mga yan. Because, of course, you want to exit on a high note.
Pero hindi pa tapos na. Pag nanalo po sila, kwento natin ng bagya para dun sa yung mga hindi na natintindihan dun anong mangyayari sa step ladder. Kasi iba, katulad sa men's volleyball, kanina naman versus number 3 FU. So very different format. Step ladder. Whoever wins this, what happens to them?
Whoever wins today's game will now take on the number 2 seed, which is NU, who actually has a twice to beat advantage. And from there, kung sino yung mananalo, if say the winner of today's game will win twice over NU, then they face DSU. So waiting the rise to beat advantage. It's not going to be easy, and that's why a lot of people are over the course of this season. Marami na for other teams who are supporting other teams aside from Lasal. Ang gusto niyan magkaroon ng talo ang Lasal to avoid the step ladder.
Lasal has obviously earned their spot there. They're waiting. They have the thrice to beat. So it's going to be a long road. And it's going to be a long time till we see them play again. But I'm sure they're watching this match right now. Catching us right at the net. Great action captured by our directors here at ABS-CBN Sports earlier.
First stop.
Match where Ateneo is ahead 16-11, courtesy of a missed hit still by Ariel Pacloca, but good enough for 5.8. Also with us today. Hey, by the way, happy birthday, boss, Mr. Peter Musni.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Peter. And enjoy this day, enjoy this weekend. I'm sure
Sayang pala si David, sayang, may karapasali si David.
Adamson, Ateneo ahead by 5 and a infraction on Makatulo. Yeah, and then Adamson has had a lot. You know, like I said, they have the most 5-setters here this year. Let's look at this spectacular angle. And one of the reasons why they've had so many 5-setters is that they really are a slow-starting team.
That's right. Diesel. That's what they call the diesel team. Sometimes nakakapagod because if you start slow, you lose the first couple of sets, and then dun sa crucial part, kailangan mo mag-point. You have to deliver all.
Sometimes it happens that they win, sometimes they don't. Because it is physically and mentally taxing to always try to catch up. Now remember, against Ateneo, the last time they had to do that also. They were down 2 sets and had to win set 3 and 4 and were ahead in set 5 as Valdez catches the net on this one. Fernando Villanueva in the game in the 121st time for the Lady Falcons.
I think also a crowd favorite. He entered the cheers.
What she has to develop is consistency in the next year. Got a block there on Michelle Galante. This actually reminds me of Sheila Pineda in her early years. Pineda always had potential. As you look at this Betadine block of the 7th, Betadine 7.5% feminine watch for Red Days. It's going to be protected. You knew she was great. You knew she was going to be a good
19 na yan, no?
but she could not put together 2-3 games na maganda.
18. Tanga.
Consistency, that's what is lacking.
Pero the last 2 years, Sheila Pineda has been great. Isa Valdez, short on the attack. 6-point lead still for Ateneo.
Panalo daw kayo.
Nagano ka ano? Ting.
Was away for a fair. very long time, back just in time. He was the happiest guy in the Ateneo over Adamson last night.
Also very proud, I'd say, no? Coming back and seeing his girls making it this far.
Coach Ty applauding the play.
Yung natanga patay ka na, 4 stop. Gago, nahuli. Paano your game again?
Their favorite volleyball superstars in action, in aerial action.
Pag kinect mo, dash FF. Ano yun?
Muna ba?
Muna. Okay.
Off the bench.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-switch. Kasi points din yun.
As continues to serve with a 6-point lead now.
Galing na analyze.
3-point for Adamson.
Malamang.
Serving 20, it will be
Manakandaan
that Andy was talking about, Randy.
pag natin.
Rente also very effective.
Sige. Pwede lang ako.
Rente has scored a couple of points already in the set.
Over receive, playable.
Ano ngayon
Go to
GS
left
daw?
again.
No.
Samantha was there. Makatuna decides to overshoot.
Talas.
Mapasok sa blocker.
Ibinalik sa Adamson. Another try. Why not? In the middle. And
Pumapasok sa blocker yung palo.
also right. But she is the kind of player who can choose her
Nante may score mo nga eh.
She's not one of the tallest,
Lima?
but look at her.
Apat.
generating so much power on our Atherton trade play. Atherton weight gain, clinically proven to help gain weight healthily. He's not a one-dimensional player, kaya kahit mabigyan mo sa gitna.
Or at the back. She's not choosing her side. She definitely can find a way to get the ball through.
This is a misstep. Nagkaabuyan.
Gago!
At si Ahumino. For an error, the
Bakit?
lead is down to
Utang niya po yan.
6-30.
TP yung puta, tango binibili ko. Nag-S ako eh. Dapat dito ako nag-S ako dito. Kala ko nabilihan ng tango. Putang yun ang yan. What's up? S yung pagka-S pagka-ano eh.
Bantayan natin yan.
Nagtaboots.
And you cannot block like that against Pineda. That separation is kill you.
Pineda will find a way to get it through that very small space.
Ay mo nga. Tignan mo yung abad mo.
Mababa sa tatlo. Mababa sa natin. This receive. Liza from the back. It's go far. And that's
Ryan,
down to 2.
Natalo
So
nga.
Anderson starting to warm up.
May mid ko eh. Saan ba siya?
Just at the right time here in the first set.
Tape. Nakabuts. Buts tape.
Also a confrontation for Anderson with Pineda.
Kasan na yung lamang?
Let's listen in.
Palendings ah. Hindi ko maintindihan mag-coach eh.
Wala. Basta maglaro lang kayo, sabi niya.
Oo. At sila,
Kaya yan, sabi. Nag-practice muna sila mag-kick eh.
It's a specific play that they're calling. Should have been deep. Former courtside reporter, Apple David. University cheer on her team.
Mamaya.
Angela Pinti was practically the player that that Pineda kind of got the torch from. Jesus.
Habol.
Nice one.
Layo naman ang
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, pag ano yun, kahit di marunong mag-coach yun.
Up to 2.
Pag may time out, no?
Hey, it doesn't sound much, but you know, because
May angas sa
the
ka.
You see the hand gestures.
Lazaro was there to read it. Valdez from the back row. Villanueva digs it up. Pineda again. Over attack, gets a check ball. She goes to the back row to serve. Talaga tinarget na rin.
Kahit may blacket pa yan. Basta si Pineda pumalo.
A very experienced outside hitter.
Kita mo yun?
Eh, akala nila, hindi papasok eh, tumama kasi sa net. O, tignan mo, tumama sa net.
We are going to look at because
Oh,
these two
akala hindi papasok eh, pumasok.
go
Unique.
toe against each other.
And we are only in the first set. They're only
Out.
in 7 points.
Pero agad.
They are really the heart and soul of their teams, especially in offense. 23-22.
Backliner na naman si Pineda, hindi makakapanog yun.
Joey din may makatulog. O'Meara.
Backliner si Pineda eh.
Isa na lang yan, boy. Bakla ka rin.
Ha?
Tukan sa hindi.
Sulukan. Tapos tayo.
Pag nanalo ko, halo-halo.
Halo-halo.
Saan kasi da?
Drop 8 mo na, drop 8.
Mga reporter yan.
Sino? Nakapunta eh.
Malakas din. Kasi nga lang ano.
Si Jesus.
May cuts. May cuts yung
Si
braso.
Jesus yun.
And so, may humingi si Coach Sherwin ng isang magandang
Pinapalaki ko nga yung ano ko eh. Shoulder.
Hindi nagaganda.
What's going to happen here?
Nasa.
Pineda.
Pang!
Sorry, that's
One.
Pineda's in the back row. But
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Shit. Celebrating with Villanueva as they cut the lead to 1.
Close fight.
Is not one of the tallest players you see on the floor, but so far, the minutes that she's spent
Close fight
here,
naman eh.
block na itong si Villanueva.
Kahit sino man natin.
Tingnan mo, service error yan.
Sino ba yan?
And they need for her to be consistent.
Pag sa panta yan.
There's no other day than today. Knockout Saturday for Ateneo and Adamson. Challenge for the white, the good team in the white here.
Nice one!
It's Ateneo's turn. But there's an error.
Wah!
Nice one!
Pagka pumalo kasi si Valdez, may blacker.
Out all!
Sino, pagpalo ni Valdez. Oh!
Adamson.
What's that? Villanueva again?
It was Villanueva. Anthony, of course.
Ayun na, maganda yan.
They call
Shit.
yung dalawang touch siya.
Nice one!
Oh, yeah, we saw a lot of this in the first game.
Ala, tanga-tanga.
Over.
Close fight.
The FPU.
Tapos sabi si Aaron Villanin, tignan mo kami hindi marunong.
Baka marunong malakas.
They retain set point here.
Shoot mo, Dodong! Iyak-iyak na din ah.
Trying to fight it
Oh,
again.
dalawa pa sila.
For them. Nagkakaroon si Paa. Tsaka si Makatulo. Dive by De Jesus. Valdez. No.
Out.
Touch! Touch!
Touch mo. Sayang, ang ganda sana ng laban.
Valdez takes it back.
Touch ba?
Takes set number 1. Another grueling Adamson Ateneo first set. Let's look at this sequence. Walang nasa harap. That cannot be.
Oh, ba't nandito yung birthday boy bukas?
On the UAP women's volleyball.
Kalaro sila din eh.
Asa?
Nandun na si Deng?
Asa si Deng?
Ano doon? Ano doon? Kailan ka talaga, James?
Semifinals quickly looking at the numbers
Sabi ng
and
hard.
receiving attacks. That's where
Yan.
over Adamson.
Very
Baka anak.
impressive.
Saka din, James.
16 points for Ateneo.
Ateneo.
Ka, Alidzi ka.
Add mo din. Basta.
Add mo din ako. Add mo din ako.
On the other hand, here for Adamson, they have to be more consistent because they need to
Ano na lang daw bibilin? GSM na lang.
And I think
Hindi naman ako napatay. Patay ko. Oo. Bakit? Ano ba gusto mo?
Sheila has been good on this
GSM group.
but it's been only
Tapos,
Haluan.
ano juice?
Tataw. Nakapumili ka na ng ano ng...
Grenadine.
Grenadine.
everybody else.
Lagi pa naman
For
bati.
the second set,
Oo, parang sarap.
2-1.
Pupunta ba si Makoy? Pupunta ba si Makoy doon? Hindi siya magtitimpla nun.
Habol din yun eh.
Nakahabol din
Each
siya.
other out on this Saturday.
Kaya maingay, nagre-record ako. Mamaya, puro boses nyo marinig dun. Kita.
Is with Coach Bo Benasol. Let's listen to this interview.
Yes, Kumanana, I am here with Coach Bo. Coach Bo, it's so good to have you back here in Fortunas at a different kind of course. Coach, first time niyo po bang manood ng
Yung may sinasabi mo,
volleyball
Bill?
game live dito sa arena?
Yes, first time and I'm really enjoying it. The first game
Dating player yan.
during the men's volleyball and right now the women's volleyball of Ateneo. It's the first time and it's the first time that I'm enjoying a volleyball game.
Coach, you mentioned earlier that you were also here for the men's volleyball game. Coach, let me ask you, what is the difference between the athleticism of male volleyball players as compared to the male basketball players you were with?
Well, as I was looking at them earlier, I was so amazed at how athletic they were in their vertical jumps. They were so quick to the ball. But I haven't seen them run the full court. But jumping, serving, everything, the quickness, the reaction is there. So I haven't really seen a volleyball game this close. And I was so surprised and I was so amazed.
Coach, you've been in the industry for quite some time. Why don't you tell us your thoughts about the collegiate action here in the UAAP game?
Well, as you can
Kung
see right
gagawin
now,
niyo,
full-pack
abot eh.
volleyball game. I've been playing I played in the UAAP for so long. This is the first time I've seen this many people watching the volleyball game.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach Bo. And
Tama.
enjoy the rest of the game. Ruben,
May ink pala.
Thank you very much, Selena, and thank you, Coach Bo Benasol,
Yun
for
pala.
allowing us to interrupt your enjoyment.
And it's
Baka
great
tayo
to
na
see
lang si
how
Balbis
a lot
Mendez.
of people, a lot of coaches from other sports also enjoying volleyball.
Yes, and appreciating the action from a different perspective. And when you see very sincere, you see sabi niya, first time niya, he was amazed not only with the crowd, but the players themselves. And sometimes that's the if you're not a volleyball watcher or fan, sometimes all you need is to see one game, one match that turns it around.
Lumapit sa akin.
I know a lot of people na sa beses na nakapanood ng isang
Sabi na,
volleyball
paano
game.
yun? Ano
And
yung
then
letter?
eventually turned out
Hindi, si Baori.
6-3, mabante ang Ateneo dito sa second set. Makibalikan ang tayo ni Mitch Del Carmen.
Well, Ruben and Coach Sherwin is frustrated with how the girls have not been using their defensive advantages in this game. Now, earlier he admitted to me how impressed he was with the 110%
Yung mga katakas yung
effort of
papaluin
Ateneo.
mo, ganito.
Yung sipag, willingness, and sacrifice na nila para sa kanilang
Wala,
sila ay
wala.
kakahanga. But he believes that they can acquire such things if they continue to work hard and strength in this game. Strategically now, the girls are lastly instructed to put more athletes
Saan
in
ka
the
dyan?
fight.
Saan ka dyan?
At mo.
Ako, Ado.
Ganda ng laro ng Eddie at saka Admo na nakarami. Ito pala diba?
Pero talo yung ano.
Talo.
Talo yan.
Talo yung Admo.
Coach Sherwin, tingnan mo.
Panalo eh.
Ginawa sa atin.
Lakas-lakas ng
Oh,
Eddie.
very,
Oo.
Ilan?
Dalawa yung
Ilan
magkapatid
score?
doon.
On top of that, you mentioned this also.
Ilan score?
It's only back to
Wala, saan?
Ano bang standing
here
yun?
for Adamson. And
Number
that
one
makes
yun, eh.
Adamson very
Best of
predictable.
ano ba yun? Best 7 ba yun? Hindi. Hindi best of 5
Kasi
yun.
naman nanalo.
Best of 7 yun eh.
Hindi naman nanalo dyan yung makakalaban na Eddie.
Veterans who have
finals.
bruises ends their
Yung UAAP yun, yung Bailey eh. Ang lakas kaya ng MU talaga. Lalo yung kapatid.
Ilan score sa MU?
It's a nice set.
4-2 lang ata eh.
Disguised very well by May Makaturo.
Porto.
Anong 4-2?
Thought they were going to go to Pineda.
Or yung standing ng ano, MU. So
Hindi,
yung
yung score nila sa atin. Kaya Ateneo.
yun nga, di ba yung standing nila? Ilang games yun?
A little offense from Pat also.
Para asar.
Ilang set yun? Best of 7 na tayo.
Best of 5 lang?
Kasi ilang araw yun.
She's confident today. Not looking like a rookie today. Michelle Borente gives her team a 3-point lead.
Basta na isang set lang ay isa o dalawa. Basta ganun.
Isang set.
They need to do more of that.
From her especially, no? Valdez, set back. Morado, back to Valdez. Valdez!
Nice one.
Sayang. Sana kasi layo masyado.
Baka si Baldi yan.
Simple.
Lakas maglaro talaga niyan.
Tubaldo?
Si Baldi.
Oh,
Oh, and just the right height of
Uy.
the ball.
Tumulong oh. Galing talaga ni Pineda.
Great sequences here from
Nahabol lahat.
Villanueva.
Nabul.
And
Ba't ikaw di kayo nabul?
again, Manda. Morado. Takes Eliza. Send back. And Nolan nagkalong isip.
Napakagaling ng blocker.
Puntas, mapupunta sa Adamson 10 serving.
Anong buo nun? Ito mo nga nag-iina so very good. First year.
That Zapata also has to start contributing here for Adamson. And down the set here. Step ladder semifinal match.
Sinagi ba?
Again, credit going to Makaturo here. She is playing with variety.
Nakatay pa!
Ikaw nakapatay.
Pagpato.
Pumutok lang ako.
That's a beautiful form also on the set. You see the form in the back of Makaturo after the set. It's a tough set, a reversal.
That's good.
Morente is rejected by
Ulit na lang nakakasipag ka.
Villanueva today.
Villanueva also with much intensity.
So
Dibaw,
they
dibaw.
take the lead, 12-11 in a timeout.
Ay, pwede yan o pang
Extra.
Buti level 8 nag-quit. Ah, naiintindihan mo pakinggan mo, Jay. Pakinggan mo. Ay, yan.
Gagano pa yan namin ah. Pag-uwit mo.
Tingnan mo, Jay.
Gago talaga yung coach niya.
In
Mag-coach
the
yun.
final reminder there at the end of the timeout to be happy.
To be happy.
O diba? Sabi niya, laruin nyo lang. Be happy.
His way.
To be happy. Yun lang pala yung sinabi.
Set. Better than 7.5% feminine wash for red days. That's his way of trying to release the tension, you know, from the team.
I think he knows also from his observation that the Ateneo team, they play best when they're actually enjoying.
Tipid
If you
pa
see
sa
them
mana yan,
pressure
no?
and tensionado, it's very difficult for them to move freely on the
Time na si
floor.
Roshan D.
Morente
Ayoko,
again.
patayin mo
Great
ganyan.
blocking by Adamson here in the second set.
Tanim ka muna marami sa malayo, tapos sigurin mo, tapos back.
Reverse set again.
Tara.
Morente with a dive. Oh, what a smart move by Morado. But this ball is still playable.
Patay. Pangat na nga naman nun.
Chance for Ateneo here. Morente na naman.
Baka Morente yan.
What a sequence.
Ayun o.
Yung patay na yan.
Pinapalapit ko sa aas.
Look at that. The scramble. Michelle Morente, pinupuntahan talaga.
And Morado making her attackers move.
Express naman yung...
That will not make it through.
Yung patay ka na. Kasi nga.
5 set ba to? Alex.
13 now, serving 12. Ateneo gets back to lead.
Bye-bye.
Ayun na.
Wala.
There's the elevator.
Opportunity.
Oh, yes, ito na.
Different role for Ateneo this year. Over receive. There, Sus takes care of that one. Served by
Kasi
Eliza.
magkano naman.
Bang is in front again.
Kita mo, kahit may blocker, pumapasok mo.
O, ayan o. Tanga. O, mga tanga.
Eh, hindi naman si Pineda yun eh.
Saan ka ba dyan?
Ado.
Sa ano ba?
Kay Pineda. Kay Pineda lang ako, hindi sa
Sa
Ado.
letters pa lang, lamang na oh.
Apat na letter.
For Adamson.
Lamang ng M, no?
Okay, tamo.
Lamang ng M.
Grabe na yung mga
Papatayin mo sa torso. Patayin sa'yo, first kill SS.
Handled by
SS.
Zapata. Morado opens up to this.
SS lang.
Iba?
Oo, CE.
Ano ba to? B,
Ah,
Boko.
di ba?
Today with the lead here
Hero,
in the
dito ni Walter. Kasi siya ako nagsiya.
Di pala, Nova.
Ulo ka.
Rickson and Manley.
Sabi mo po pala to.
Asan yung sila sa social media?
And explain this to us, what we're seeing here.
Calling out plays.
Lalam!
Isang one is signaling going to the open or to the outside hitter.
Slow kick.
Sequence earlier. And the distance. As we said, playing a different role for Ateneo this year. Your thoughts on that, Anne, as now the starter?
Well, we've known
Ay,
elements
guys.
of the more dependable seventh
Aganis yan,
seventh
boy.
na unang-unang hinuhugot and always delivers when she's on the floor. Now,
Doon na gago.
taking some sort of leadership role na rin siya on the floor because hindi na rin yan bago.
Uy, patirahin mo.
Hindi na siya bata sa team ng Ateneo and I guess it's her
Natatakan niya.
consistency that each time he has.
Excellent combination play. How about Morete?
Morete for 3.
Like she's knocking
Isa pa nga.
see her really moving on the floor,
Isa
mo, babasag ako ng web.
and
Sige.
still finding her out.
Ang gamit mo si M. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Diba, Sarge?
Kasi kahit ako na mag-isa, mas mag-aalgi ako.
Ha?
Mag-aalgi. Kahit ako na mag-isa.
Oh, kaya yun?
Ayun.
Naka-SS?
You get two girls.
Well,
I can do this.
Basta good, mag-isa.
Kaya.
Kahit may lumabas na hero.
Ikaw may item ka na.
Kahit may lumabas na hero.
Kaya mo ano yun.
Her way through.
O, kita mo, pag si Pineda pumalo.
You see it so many times, Anne.
pumapasok talaga yung kay Pinedo.
Testing mo nga mamaya.
She gets it through.
Mag-ano, commit ka. Ano,
So she gets her ninth point.
ganito pumalo.
And down the line in.
Pineda that bounded. Actually,
Tapos na.
Pineda was
Huwag ka
actually
na
there.
mag-ano, laro.
But all against jumping.
How about that set by Morado? From the other side. And asking for it. Angles it. Lazaro is there.
Mabilis nga eh, kasi may...
Test from the back row. Lazaro is there. Pineda nasa kabila naman. Set back.
Natunog yung follow niya eh, no?
Off speed. Oh, Morado trying to get it through. Morado chooses De Jesus. And they're gonna call timeout.
Adamson.
This is a 5-point lead and a crucial point here in set number 2.
Isang game lang ba to? Isang game lang.
Hindi, ano na yun? Nung nakaraan, naglaban na din.
Sino manalo?
Hindi ko alam. Basta do, Arbein yun yun.
Sherwin. From frustrated voice. As you see here.
Ikaw ba ang mga
Taking the second ball. So what about that?
We both know that these two teams, they really want to get that lead. But looking at how both teams are playing, we see that Ateneo right now is really exerting more effort than Adamson. We've seen Adamson play.
Yes.
So this is quite different how they would normally play.
10-4, the number 3 seed. make that 20-15 now. This is following the script of that last match. And the reason why we talk about previous matches is we also try to look out for patterns. And also, the people talk about certain matches that are done, whether they're in the elimination round or whatever. We also want to welcome those who are watching for the very first time. Dahil may mga nanonood na ngayon pa lang, mabagong salta sa volleyball, or people who have not watched in a long time.
Balik na din kahapon eh. Yung kagabi. Sob na siya, CM mo.
This is what we're doing, which has led us to the semi-final.
Puso lang.
Match-ups, yung teams that really match up well. And Adamson and Ateneo feature up against each other. It will always be a
Sentinel lang.
Also the protagonists in the Final Four.
Kasi yung Harvard.
Ateneo number 2, Villanueva with another clean. Cutting that lead down the floor. Flashes for Amanda Villanueva. It's a good angle. Middle attack from Amanda. Our sequences for Alvira and Morado have not connected. What is it there, and was it the set, or is it Alvira jumping too soon? What is it there?
It's timing. So if you're a setter and you're setting a quick set, you feed the ball to the attacker. So dapat yung timing din ng pagkalo is just right.
Ito nga, susal mo na din kayo. Ay, wala ko.
Touching the net.
Nakahabol pa.
Kanina mo, isa ano lang naman. Dalawa lang. May ganun pa, nag-juice pa kanina eh. Kaso walang sandwich.
Sige na nga ata. Babati pa ako sa'yo ngayon. Bahana na si Batman. Ano una natin lulutuin bukas, Big?
Ano natin? Ikaw pala magluluto.
Ay, anong oras lulutuin? Anong una mong lulutuin? Ayun, na-reference ko na.
Ano mo yan?
Sultano.
Tato.
Sino naman?
Talo Admo.
Record mo, Jay. Nice one.
SLS.
Off Pineda's arms.
Oh, kita mo, iba yung pineta mo? Iba ka talaga.
Force that attack.
Nice.
Look at Adamson
SS.
now, they're very quiet.
First kill SS.
First kill SS.
First kill pa. First kill pa.
And for Adamson, if you start strong, they should also find a way to end strong.
Nag-ano yung first kill. Nag-ilinit buhay.
Brazil is back.
Carbel.
Cortez.
Sunday.
Look for a spot. Zapanto is there to read it. Villanueva. Blockers were there. Villanueva. Having herself a good
Pati
game.
talaga ni Villanueva.
Look at the sequence there.
Yan yung goal ng ano?
21 to 22.
Wow.
Over receive. Keeps it alive. Villanueva is checked. Zapanta on the other side. Jesus is there. Morado picks Eliza. Pineda is there. Zapanta on the line.
Last two.
Gawa mo, katinong karde.
So far, it has been
Anong buo?
Julieta and Villanueva who's been scoring for Adamson.
Kaya mo yun?
Timeout as Ateneo's two.
Buo ka ng dagon, iyak sa'yo yun.
Oo, iyak sa'yo yan, Dagon.
Bagal mo kasi mag-ano, sindot eh.
First skill SS, Dagon. So, win.
Paano hindi ako pipindot agad? Kala ko ay ipapotik ako nito.
Eh wala, yung makasarili yan eh.
Gumasa dyan, Bit.
Oo, kumasa dyan. Buti kung ako yan. Apotik kita lagi.
Kaya pala.
Huwag mo lang ako aawain, hindi kita apotik. Ako si James.
Hindi mo pa ako nakikita.
Kung naaway ako, heal mo ko. Ayoko nga.
Patabuhay mo.
Calls that timeout, trying to delay here. Ateneo serving. They're 2 points away from a 2 sets to love lead for the stepladder semi-final matchup between Ateneo and Adamson. Makaturo goes to Villanueva. 6 points today so far. Back set. Go ahead and overcooks that one. And again, here we are again with these two teams.
Neta is in front for Adamson.
Cross finger.
They need.
Villanueva as well. And these are the two girls,
Error.
two ladies who have delivered the points for Adamson.
Nanalangin na.
To Eliza.
Galing mo talaga, Baldi.
Temperatura.
Hindi ka nag-SS.
SS!
For Ateneo.
Sabi tinawala ko yung mga... Tangin, sabi mo SS eh. Pagka SS ko, wala na pala dun eh.
Tipi na, tipi na.
Wala na, that's na yan.
Villanueva.
Hindi ako nakikinig.
Chance for
Ang
Ateneo.
say up James kasi.
Back set.
Pagka SS ko, puta.
Villanueva was there.
Dapat pag first skill SS nila.
Ay!
Nawala ako talaga.
Sinano na.
Huwag ka makikinig dyan kay James.
By Villanueva.
Sayang lang dito na yun eh.
And she knew it. She knew
Yeah,
that.
Pagkabuhay naman, ano na
Wala na.
full time.
Sino, katinong karde.
Good game for herself. 7 points for her, and she serves.
Lugago.
Di pa ni Roro.
Ni Roro na lang.
Adamson.
Ganun tumilong mo.
Yes.
Nice one!
Set.
Set.
Ay, mangyayari yung katulad kanina.
Isang set na lang.
Adamson has got to do it the hard way again to stay alive, not only for the match, but for the season end.
That's right.
Boss
They
mo
have
naman
to
yan,
make
eh.
it best going into the third set if they do want to extend this game.
Tatagalan tayo sa upload yan.
Team in the league with a 2 sets to love lead.